So this is a short tutorial to show you how to import the gUFO ontology into Protégé. The gUFO ontology is an implementation of the Unified Foundation ontology that is available under this URL. So if you copy this URL into Protégé, you can directly import it into your ontology. So here we have a completely empty, newly created ontology in Protégé, and I'm going to click on Direct Imports and import an ontology contained in a document located on the web. I just need to paste the perl.org/nemo/gUFO URI, and then Protégé will import all the classes, object properties, and data properties in that ontology into your ontology so that you can reuse them. So in the case here, in this newly created ontology now, we will have all the elements of gUFO in the various tabs where they should appear. So here we have now the element was imported. We may add a prefix if we want. It's still not done here, but we may add a prefix mapping to state that gUFO and then include here that permanent URL that was copied before. So here we have now all the classes from gUFO, which are here the taxonomies of individuals and taxonomy of types. And if you cannot see this directly, this might be because this option is not enabled, so you have to enable the show the imports closure of the active ontology, because then all the classes that are imported from gUFO will appear here, and so will the object properties, and so will the various data properties. Once you have done this, you can also check the documentation of each of these elements of gUFO. For example, here on the individual taxonomy, concrete individuals are the endurance, the events, and the situations. And if you if you further go down in the taxonomy of individuals and see, for example, objects and aspects, there will be intrinsic and extrinsic aspects and different kinds of objects according to their neurological status. And here you can see all the documentation and comments. So for example, this definition of objects, definition of aspects, definition of extrinsic aspects such as relator, and so on.